Here I've got OnePlus 60, and let me show you how to personalize gaming mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings and then find and select the utilities. Here you will notice gaming mode, so just open it, and now you can personalize it. So you can select if you want to answer calls via speaker or not. You can select the way of showing notifications, so they can be blocked. You can see the text only, or it can be hands up, so it's up to you. Let me leave it blocked. Let's go back. Then you can allow notification from third-party calls if you want to, and also disable automatic brightness, so it's very worth using this one. And finally you can also set network boost if you want to. So that's it. Now you can personalize it and then enjoy playing your favorite games. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.